brightening her hours, sending her flowers, though it's no anniversary. Many men want fame and fortune, it's gold they love to see. But I'd say a man who loves his mother is man enough for me.
Mother of mine.
Many men love dogs and kittens and pet them constantly. But show me a man who loves his mother, as much as she wants to be, and I'll show you a man who is man